Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy neck pillow on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is an online shopping marketplace that delivers the product to consumer directly from China, and it provides a 90 days return policy. So to buy on TEMU you have to go to the temu.com, and here you will likely search for the neck pillow. So here we can see the neck pillow, so we can just see for the one. So here we can see this one for $2.98. Okay, so this is a neck pillow, you can see. So this is a pillow for our neck stress relief. Okay, you can just use on the neck like this. Okay, so, and its height is about like height width, you can see, 45 centimeter long and a breadth of 3.15 inches. Okay, or 8 centimeter. Here we can see some reviews of the pillow, and if you want to see the detailed description, you can see from here like this. So TEMU gives you a shopping security, and it delivers the product free. Okay, and to buy you have to just click on the add to cart. After that you can uh, click on the buy button, then follow the instruction to make the purchase. So this is how to buy neck pillow on TEMU website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save your money. Thank you for watching.